Hi everyone, this is Autumn and welcome back to the channel. We'll be uploading more videos in the future like this one, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Much like our last video, we'll be taking a look at an error that you might see on your Stryker faceplate. The particular model we'll be taking a look at today is the Stryker 655HPC. With that being said, let's get into it. Stryker radios, like the Stryker 655HPC here, are one of the most popular 10-meter radio brands available, so it's really no surprise that one of the best features is a built-in protection system against damage caused by antenna system issues. If your antenna system has a problem or isn't installed properly, it can cause damage to your radio, so it's always a good idea to make sure everything is in shape before using your radio. Stryker radios in particular test your antenna system every time you key your microphone. If the radio detects an SWR reading higher than a 2, that could damage the radio. As an example, this is what it would look like when the radio is detecting everything correctly and there aren't any issues. So after this, we'll go ahead and take a look and see what it would look like when there are issues. If, of course, there aren't any issues, the radio will stop transmitting and flash SWR high on the channel display. If you see this message, it means you have a problem in your antenna system that needs to be addressed. As I've mentioned before, the radio will not allow you to transmit until you fix this problem. This is actually a really nice feature to have though, because without this protection system, the damage you cause could be severe. The big question here is, what do you actually do if you see this message? You'll need to check the antenna system, so the coax cable, the antenna mount, and the antenna for any obvious corrosion or damage. With this, make sure your antenna stud is installed correctly. If you're not sure how, I've went ahead and linked our video in the description box down below and on the screen. When you check, you may see that you need to replace all or some of the components in your antenna system to get this issue fixed. We offer toll-free technical support here at Walcott Radio on any equipment purchased from us, so if you need help trying to figure out exactly what your antenna system problem is, please reach out by phone or email or stop by and we'll do what we can to assist you. As always, get talking, we'll help. I'll see you next time.